Forget everything you think you know about Wall Street. Forget the suits, the shouts, the high-stakes drama of the trading floor. The greatest investor of all time didn't live there. He was a quiet, chain-smoking math professor. He never picked a single stock, never listened to a single analyst. He didn't care about a company's CEO or its balance sheet. Instead, he saw the market as a puzzle, and he built a machine. A machine so secretive, so powerful, it made Warren Buffett's returns look like pocket change. This is the story of Jim Simons and the machine that solved the market. Jim Simons was a prodigy, but not of finance. He was a master of mathematics. As a young man, he was a codebreaker for the US government during the Cold War, applying his genius to a life-or-death problem. This wasn't just theoretical brilliance, it was practical. He proved he could find patterns in chaos. But Simons was never one to follow the rules. He was fired from his government job for speaking out against the Vietnam War. He left the world of secret codes and became a renowned academic, winning prestigious awards for his groundbreaking work in geometry. He had a brilliant mind and a comfortable life, but he was restless. The world of abstract equations wasn't enough. He wanted a new puzzle, and in his 40s, he took the biggest gamble of his life. A leap of faith from the quiet halls of academia into the chaotic ocean of Wall Street. He founded a hedge fund, Renaissance Technologies, with one revolutionary idea. The market wasn't a human endeavor. It was a mathematical one. Jim Simons didn't hire stock pickers. He hired mathematicians, physicists, and codebreakers, the best scientific minds on the planet. Their task was not to predict the future, but to find tiny, microscopic anomalies in the past. Billions of data points. They built algorithms to find small, consistent patterns that no human eye could ever see. They didn't look for home runs. Their goal was to find a stock that was only 51% likely to go up in the next hour. A tiny, insignificant edge on its own. But by making thousands of these tiny trades a day, their collective success became an unstoppable force. It's like flipping a slightly loaded coin 1,000,000 times. The odds are always in your favor, and you end up with a mountain of cash. They'd built the Medallion Fund, a true black box. Sealed off from the outside world, it became the most successful hedge fund in history. A legend whispered about in hushed tones, and no one could figure out how it worked. It remains a mystery to this day. Jim Simons ultimately stepped back from the day-to-day operations, but the machine he built continues to run, a testament to his genius. He wasn't driven by greed. His ultimate goal was to solve the problem and then move on. And with his vast wealth, he turned his focus back to what he always loved most: pure science. The Simons Foundation has become one of the largest funders of scientific and mathematical research in the world. He came full circle, using the immense wealth from his mathematical machine to give back to the very fields that made him a legend. Jim Simons saw patterns where others saw chaos. He found a new path to a different kind of wealth. What patterns are you missing in your own life? What impossible problems are you ready to solve?